Hi, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with Vitrodex, and today we are looking at the analysis on the currency pair Euro USD. And first, we'll be talking about fundamental analysis before we move down to technical analysis, which will be purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Now, we can say that, of course, the Euro USD is set to measure high equities with a mix at close on Tuesday as gains in the technology, telecom, and industrial sectors propelled higher, while losses in basic materials, healthcare, and financial sectors led shares a bit lower. And at the closing new work session, the Dow Jones Industrial Average declined about 0.98%, while the S&P 500 index lost 0.40%, same as the Nasdaq Composite Index, it added 0.18%. The biggest gainers of the session on the Dow Jones Industrial Average was Nvidia Corporation, which rose about 4.01% or 6.58 points, trade at 170.65 at the close, while 0.53% or 2.67 points to end at 505.69. Now, what to expect from Euro USD generally? We are having Italy shares being lower for the euros at close of the trade, and Netherlands shares higher at close of the trade, Portugal shares lower at close of the trade, Spain shares lower at close of the trade. And we have also Belgium shares lower at close of the trade, Finland shares lower at close of the trade, as well as Greece shares higher at close of the trade. We have buffer reports that USD flows turn neutral amid trade uncertainty. Now, with all that being said, we have a very important resistance support zone, which is most likely going to touch from this point at 1.16236 and gradually heading to the 1.16651 axis. And of course, if it hits this point, it might be headed to a new zone at 1.17154 axis, which of course is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, Euro USD. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.